This is a quick analysis on how to trade Nvidia, a titan in the tech and semiconductor industry. Today, we'll delve very briefly into the fundamentals of Nvidia as a company, and then move on to perform a technical analysis for short to medium-term trades. We hope this video will provide a better understanding and help you do a deeper analysis. Before we start, remember, this video is purely educational and not a stock recommendation. Please do your own research before making any trading decisions. Let's get started. Let's start with a brief fundamental analysis of Nvidia. Nvidia has been at the forefront of the tech industry, specializing broadly in graphics processing units for gaming and system-on-chip units for the mobile computing and automotive market. Nvidia has captured the fancy of the market due to stellar results over the past few quarters. Let us examine the revenue growth and earnings growth to help assess whether the stock's current price-to-earnings ratio is justified. 1. Revenue growth has seen a sharp growth in the past 3 quarters. Revenue has gone up sharply from $7.92 billion in April'23 to $22.1 billion in Jan'24, a jump of almost 3x. Analysts estimate the 2025 revenues at $110.5 billion and 2026 revenues at $136.5 billion, indicating that the growth trajectory will remain steep and Nvidia will continue to outperform the sector and the broader markets in the coming years as well. 2. Nvidia has seen an earnings growth from $2.04 billion in April'23 to $12.3 billion in Jan'24, a 6-fold increase in such a short period of time. The steep earnings growth has come on the back of profit margin of more than 48%. 3. Price-to-earning ratio of Nvidia is 78. We have seen the high growths in revenue and earnings over the past 3 quarters. Analysts estimate the growth to remain steep, as we have seen in the revenue growth estimates for 2025 and 2026. Market is probably trying to price in the next 5-year earnings, and the estimated 5-year PEG ratio is 1.5, which is attractive. So due to strong revenue and earnings growth, the PE ratio of 78 seems quite justified. Our assessment is that Nvidia is one stock that makes a good case to be added to my investment portfolio based upon fundamental analysis. For traders who wish to participate in the momentum, is there still some way to participate? Let's examine by doing technical analysis, if at all possible, to estimate the right entry levels, possible targets and stop-loss levels for a short to medium-term trade. Nvidia's share price has shot up to stratosphere, so better to exercise extreme caution. It may be prudent to trade with a small position size less than 5% of trading capital, with strict trailing stop-loss of previous week low level. Which means that if price momentum is broken during the week, it may be better to exit the position. Given the volatility, this allows traders to ride the momentum and also to avoid getting stopped out due to intraday volatility. Nvidia is trading near all-time high level of 942, hence we will estimate targets using pivots and fib retracement. The targets that we get as per these indicators are 985, 1225 and 1465. Entry could be best made at 2 to 3% dips, which may or may not come. In bullish market conditions, traders can risk entering at current levels with previous day low as a stow loss. To ride the uptrend, keep a stop loss at previous week low on closing basis. In case of correction, the major re-entry level supports are 745, 620, which are usually good buying opportunities. However, below these levels, it may be best to reassess and analyze reasons for such a steep breakdown of levels. I'd like to remind you again, this is not a stock recommendation. This video presents a point of view based on current analysis and is intended for educational purposes. Always please do your own analysis and due diligence before taking any trade. Thank you for watching our quick take on trading Nvidia. What do you think about it? Please leave your comments, we would love to hear your views. For more such videos on finance, stock market and economy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for our channel.